Hello and welcome to my new Android tutorial video series. This is my first series of videos I've done in about 5 years. These videos are going to deal with Android 5 and above. The old videos are now quite out of date, so I recommend following this series instead. This first video is just going to be the simple Hello World video, and here I'm going to just show you how to make a new project. We're going to call it Android5 Tutorial 1. And that's our domain, that's our package name, that's our project location. And we're going to minimum SDK Android 17 API. The reason being, by the time you get going with this, this number of 87% is probably going to be even higher. And Android 17 really does have a few features that are necessary for some of the more important libraries for newer modern apps. So even though it's 4.2 and we're focusing on 5, we really want that to be our minimum. So we just hit next, and we pick our empty activity and hit next. And activity name, main activity, layout, hit finish. We're done. This is going to build for a while. You'll notice this is Android Studio. The old way of doing apps was using Eclipse. Eclipse is no longer the approved official IDE and system for doing apps. In any event, this thing is running. You can see it, the Gradle, which is a script build, auto build system in Java that Android now works with. Finish building, and now I'm going to run. I'm going to run the app on my device that's already on here. And my emulator is going to start up here in a second. You can see the emulator here. And once the app finishes running, or once Gradle finishes building the app and putting it on the emulated device, should start up here in a second. And there you go. That's our first tutorial. So I'm going to get some of these out sooner than I have. It's been about 5 years, and we'll go from there.